Alright guys, today I'm going to be installing some decals on my 2016 Ford F150. So I have the decals right here, a heat gun, so afterwards I can heat it up and let the adhesive work, and then some alcohol to clean it down, and some paper towels to like wipe it clean. So we will be doing the front and also the back emblem, and the emblem of the steering wheel. So we're going to be pouring some alcohol on a paper towel, and we'll start by cleaning out the emblem, making sure it's nice and clean, and then afterwards we'll use another paper towel to make sure that it's dry before we apply the decal. So that looks pretty good, pretty clean. Give it another extra wipe. And then we'll get another paper towel. So I got another paper towel and we'll wipe it dry. So it looks pretty good, pretty shiny. So now we'll get the decal and we'll peel off the backing paper, make sure we align it, and then press it on there pretty good. And then afterwards we will use the heat gun to make sure that the adhesive starts sticking to it. And that's how you apply the decal to the forward grille. And then you just repeat the same process, and you do it for the rear and also for the steering wheel. And that's it, folks. Thanks.